Stop playing with him. Jdavinci and his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jdavinci and I'm here with an exciting video. I got this wig from divatress.com. They're actually having a Valentine's Day sale, like 60% off all the wigs, all the crochet hair. So I would definitely check it out. I'm gonna link everything in the description. But yeah, today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to slay, how to slay a short finger wave wig. It is a lace front wig, 100% Remy human hair, and it's finger waves. I'm super excited because this is gonna be so bomb. Like, I have so much faith in these hairdos. I got the color number 4. The box is super cute. So if you're like me and you're excited for short hair without actually cutting your hair, wigs are the way to go. This box is so cute, guys. Oh, it's very lightweight. Of course. So cute. So on the inside it comes with 2 combs right here and then a comb in the back. So 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, soft lace, so you could definitely glue this on your face. Interesting. We're not gonna do that because I don't think we have to. I actually am about to cut off the lace right now. I'm gonna cut it off as close as I can to the hairline. That's really it. I'm not gonna show you because if I show you I'm gonna mess up. So just trust yourself and cut it as close to the hairline without cutting the hair as possible. Ooh, and it cuts off like a breeze. Okay, now that the lace is fully cut off, I cut all the lace off. So what I'm gonna do, take this off. I got my braids already done. I have a full tutorial on how I braid it. I'm gonna just put it on my head, see how it fits, see what we're working with. No, just wait. So we gotta pull it down our back just so the nape is down. But hold on, guys. We're gonna have to pull this down and really get it on our head. How it looks. Love the color. Love the little finger wave. Okay, we got an itty bitty part, but I don't have no tweezers. So now that we've got the hair on our head, I'm really just seeing what's going on. Seeing if I want to cut some hair off, like, you know, in this area, which I think I should. So I'm gonna just take a razor and be careful. So you could put water. I've got this mousse right here, olive oil mousse. And I'm probably gonna need to get my concealer to deepen this part. Or do I wanna put water? I think I like low-key wanna put water in it. Hair is extremely soft, by the way. First start off with a little bit of mousse. Let's see how the hair reacts to mousse. I think when I put water on it, it kind of curls. Not really going for curls, going for cute. Gonna style the hair. So I'm essentially gonna want it like this. So I'm going to have to cut. I'm gonna go in with my razor. Cut this shorter. This, you've got options, buddy. You've got options. So right now I'm just looking in the mirror. Pieces that need to be gone, I cut them off. For this part area, for now, we could fill it with concealer just so you can get a better picture and idea of parting. And bring that bad boy back as far as you like it. Now we're going to see what else we want to do, because the look that I had in mind does not require all of this hair, okay? Make sure that bad boy on properly. All right, so over here we need help. We're not done, we need help. We're gonna keep this little chunk right here kind of long. Everything else is going shorter. So I'm still just cutting it down to thy desired look. I'm gonna have to go get me some gel too. We getting feisty now. Okay, so I got me some gel. Gel this bad boy down, get this stuff looking cute. I mean, so far it looks good. Looks good. But these sideburns need to be down, you know? So what I gotta do, and you just really cut it to your desired look. You might not even want to cut it at all, but I personally wanted a little pixie. I'm gonna go in with some gel. Gonna put some at the base of the hair. As if you're feeling fancy. You know, we don't gotta do this, but it's almost like, why not? So little fancy girl don't want to stay. We could put her back later though, you know? So you're gonna see, like, when you slick it down, stuff is gonna pop up and you may not like it, and that's your opportunity to cut it. It's really hard for me to see it out of the side of my peripherals like that. So far, this is what's going on. I need to cut it a little more. Then we're gonna go in with our mousse. You can use water. We might have to Got2b glue hairspray our sideburns. We're coming along like this shit is killed. Right now on this side, I'm just adding short layers because it was kind of had long layers and I want them a little closer to my head. And overall, this is a lot of fun. Revamping wigs, making them custom to how you like it. If you've never tried it, try it. I have. What is this? Hair on my face. Y'all saw the transformation. Alright, I'm loving it, guys. It's like, I feel like I just got my hair cut. It's so cute. We're getting, the wet hair is alive. And I have one recommendation. Whenever you feel like you want to give up, pray. Start praying. Pray like, God, just help me get through this. Everything's gonna be alright. We got this. And then boom, here we are, looking like goddamn Rihanna. Motherfucking when she had her little hair cut, looking like a bad bitch. If you have any questions, leave them below. But yeah, just have a mirror and just go for it. These are like stupid cheap wigs. So for this, we're gonna take our gel. This one is kind of thick too, so we're gonna see, because we don't want to, I'm not trying to look like Elvis Presley, so we gotta lock this down. Oh God, Jess. could really just like, you know, call it a day right there, but I don't know, the Betty Boop circle is just kind of cute. Looking out of my peripherals is hurting. I feel like I'm like, it's too much for my eyes, it hurts. But yeah, we've got one swoop circle. Don't move, girl. We're gonna have another swoop circle, hopefully. Let's see if we can put a swoop right here. So this is the hair dried. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like, just in case you wanted to see what it looked like dry. This shit is so cute. I'm sorry, but this is cute. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up. Check out divatress.com. They've got a huge sale going on right now. So if you're like me, you're on a budget, you're trying to save some money, check them out. Check them out. All right, see you guys next time. Bye.
Working with me in his bitch. Got him asking questions, I'm designing to the fit. And if you want me at your party, man, just text me that it's a lit.